Building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Well, this video is about doing the backsplash. On one of my other videos of doing refinishing kitchen cabinets, again, this is my daughter's place. I had said in that video that I would show you the backsplash. We got in to do the cabinets first before they moved in. It took us, I believe 5 days to do the kitchen cabinets properly, but then they were moving in, so then we went in afterwards and did the backsplash the following weekend. And so that's what I want to show you now, the backsplash, but I'm showing you parts of the kitchen so you can see what it looked like before that we painted the cabinets and did the backsplash, and it was a complete transformation of this kitchen, which came out absolutely beautifully. But not a whole lot of money was spent. Some labor was involved, and we all worked together and got it done. I think this came out really good. If you want to know more of the process of painting, you can see my other videos on refinishing cabinets, or can you paint thermofoil cabinets, or even Formica cabinets, because all of them can be painted. I'll show you the process and the materials. Alright, well, this one here is focused more on the backsplash. I'll go through the process with you, and I hope you enjoy this. I hope it helps you. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Make a comment, okay? Well, these are the cabinets and the backsplash. We're focusing on the backsplash mostly, but I wanted you to see how the kitchen was before we started. All the brown cabinets, we decided to paint them first because my daughter needed to move in this house within 7 days from when we started. So we knew the cabinets would take more time of getting them painted. You can see my other videos of how to refinish your kitchen cabinet or painting thermofoil or Formica cabinets. So once we got that done, then the next weekend we started on the backsplash. You start breaking it up with your hammer and pulling it off the wall. This is going to reveal all the drywall behind it, all the cracks and things of that sort. Make sure you use a mesh tape and some 45 mud so that it dries quickly. Start skimming the wall, sanding it down, skimming it again. So your first day is getting it off and getting it all prepped and get it nice and flat, because as flat as you get it is how your backsplash is going to look. If you leave it wavy, it's going to look wavy. Okay, now here the countertop was nice and level. We were able to start at the bottom, work at one end, and worked our way around. It was a tedious process, but I think it came out really good. We used a pencil trim, and with this pencil trim we made sure that we placed it in there and did 45s and trimmed it out really nice. All these little things is what makes it look that much better. We grouted it, and make sure when you grout that you keep your sponge with clean water and keep wiping it down and keep it nice and clean. I think this came out very beautifully. I hope you enjoyed this. Look at my other ones for all the process and the materials that you want to use. Thank you.